Today I am going to show you how to upload videos to Google Photos using your PC step by step. This method is perfect if you want to manually upload videos without turning on auto backup. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. In the top right corner next to my account picture, I clicked on the Google Apps icon. From the drop-down menu, I clicked on Google Photos and the Google Photos interface opened. Now, in the top right corner of the Google Photos, I clicked on the plus icon. A drop-down menu appeared. From this list, I selected Import Photos. After clicking on it, the file manager opened on my PC. From here, I selected the video file that I wanted to upload to Google Photos. Then I clicked on the Open button. As you can see, the video started uploading immediately. Depending on the video size and internet speed, this may take a few seconds. After a short time, the video was successfully uploaded and appeared in my Google Photos library. I clicked on the video to open it and confirm that the upload was completed correctly. And that's it. This is how you can manually upload videos to Google Photos on your PC in a very simple way.